showing you how to organize a percussion kit. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So this is my percussion kit. In this top section, you put your snare drum, which looks like this. And then the second section is this part, which has a zipper to open the thumb. So as you can see over here, there's a pocket for a snare pad. So it's basically the snare drum, but if you need to practice at your house, it's less noisier, so you can use this at your house. But if you're gonna have like a concert, you might want to use the big snare drum and not this snare pad. And then over here, this is my music holder. So usually you need to bring your music holder to bands. So I usually put it inside here, so that way I don't have to carry it. So that way I can just carry it in this whole thing. And then I'll show you what's inside later in the video. And then I have these other stands, which goes inside here. And I put this music stand right here. And then there's these two pockets. First pocket, there's a stand which is especially for the bells over here. And bells. Yeah. And so it goes right inside like this. And then inside this one, there's my two drumsticks and two mounts. And then over here, I have my bells, also known as a glockenspiel. And the glockenspiel is actually much bigger than this, but since this is a kid's practice kit, this is the size they give you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family.